Look at this pink hive, got some capped honey. Yeah, capped honey. Looking pretty good. Pink hive, capped honey looking really good here. Nectar coming in here. Looking really good, nice frame, capped honey. On that side too. Well, there's brood and larva. Yeah, lots of larvae. Yeah, it's a real scattered brood pattern. Green hive, capped honey here. And on this side too, look like they're getting to work. Green hive, more capped honey. That's heavy with honey. You can see here, I left too much space, and so the bee space was wide open. They put burr comb all in here. I'll have to take that out at some point. It's a green hive, nice brood pattern. Yeah, just tons of brood, looks real nice. Lots of brood here. Some little practice queen cups over here, if you can see. White hive, they're putting nectar in. Nothing capped yet. There's a lot of bees. Just a lot of brood in this white hive. Great to see. Good brood forming. Just tons of brood.